fragrance almost took you like on a roller coaster ride. It was like up, down, it was stuck a little bit, and then it went down again, and then I was like, well, do I like it? Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, I love you like cook food. And welcome back, besties. Today we're sharing a plethora of fragrances, okay? New fragrances that I have never spoke about on the channel. So if you're here for that, please continue to watch. On this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, darling. So if that sounds like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and take 2.5 seconds. Drop me your scent of the day, because over here, I love to know what you're rocking. You guys have amazing taste, and we like so many of the same fragrances. So go ahead and leave me down in the comment section below what fragrance you're rocking today. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like the vibe, of course. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video over here. And if you truly want to become a bestie, come over, slide in the DM, and say hi on Instagram. All right, you guys, let's start off with Mind Games. Mind Games came out with 2 fragrances. I believe this is a new collection, and I'm just gonna say, whoa. Okay, that is my first impression, my initial opinion. I was lost. I was shook. Speechless, okay? In a different sense of a sense. And we're gonna get into it and talk about it. Let's talk about the price point, okay? Let's just talk about the price point. These are pretty pricey. Here is what you're going to get. You can pick these up on the So Avant-Garde website. This is what it looks like. You are going to get the 2 raw materials in there. You'll also get your 100 ml fragrance. This is a fragrance mentor. I will say that I do like the bottle. The bottle are inspired by chess pieces. When I first got the first collection that came out, these were really like easy to come off. You could not pick it up by the cap. This today, hello? Good job, Mind Games. You were able to pick it up by the cap. It's heavily weighted. The bottle in itself is just a work of art. So I totally get the inspiration behind it. This one is called Mentor and Booyah Amber. Those are the 2 raw notes that are in here. And I believe that's what you're gonna get inside of these 2 raw materials. It looks like it's about 2 ml. I would say this one is Amber and the other one is Booyah. The price point is retailing at $4.75. These are sold on So Avant-Garde's website. I believe you can also pick them up at Mind Games. I believe you can also pick them up in Neiman Marcus. What I am going to say, you guys, is that please, if I can ever encourage you to do anything, don't blind buy these. I mean, not unless you want to. It's your coin. You do what you want to do. But friend to friend, I'm saying these are very complex. I put this on and sprayed it, and let's get a look at the atomizer. Here's, oh no. The guy taught me how to do it so proper. Hold on. He said bend it. I probably still didn't do it right. Anywho, spray it on. You see what the atomizer is giving. Here's a little bit. Here's a little bit more, okay? I put this on initially when I sprayed it, and I was like, oh no, this is not for me. I kid you not, like within, I wanna say maybe a minute and 30, it started changing on my body. And you have to spray these and test these out on skin. This that I just did, spraying it on the blotter card, is for demonstration purposes. If you happen to go in and test these out, test these on your skin. The way that this fragrance, both of them, changed, developed right before my eyes, transformed. I was like, what in the world? Like, I have seen fragrances settle down, change a little bit in the dry down. This fragrance almost took you like on a roller coaster ride. It was like up, down, it was stuck a little bit, and then it went down again, and then I was like, well, do I like it? And then it went back for a turn, and then it came around real good, and for like another sharp turn. This is a way that I can explain it. And I was like, what are you doing? Like, the whole time I was down there on the couch, I just kept going like, is it changing again? Is it changing? It did. But you guys, it's so good in a different way. Okay, let me give you some of the notes, because I got very excited, and I love when fragrances do this to me. It transported me. It sent me on a wild goose chase. It sent me on a roller coaster ride. I was like, hold up, give me a second. I can't even keep up. It just had so many different little nooks and crannies that it took you through. So in our top notes, we have salted caramel, Italian lemon, dark plum, and then in our middle notes, we have amber, coffee. Down in the bottom, we have that Booyah oud, sandalwood, and tonka bean. It is rich, it is decadent, it is sensual, it is dark, it is plummy, it is juicy, it is, It's nose grabbing. It's what in the world? It's slow down a second. To me, in my opinion, it's a unisex fragrance, but it can lean more masculine. But if you're about that life, then you love it. I love these type of fragrances. You guys, it's like an all black outfit, leather or faux leather, a little bit of platinum, or what is it called? Is it platinum, girl? No, what is it called? God, you know that patent leather, a little bit of patent leather with some bedazzled jewels. That's a vibe that is giving me holiday inspired, yes. You can wear this whenever you want. I'm just saying it would be amazing for a holiday party or to just pop out and show people, you know what I mean? Or let people smell you. This is good. I would say get it for yourself. I have not worn it out. This is a first impression for real, for real. I was just blown away. That's all I could say. I was blown away. So yes, this is good. I mean, I've been seeing it everywhere. Thank you to the team over at So Avant-Garde for sending this over, you guys. They rarely ever go on sale. Sometime I'll get a 10% off. If I can get a 10% off, I will have it in the description box for you below. Also, if I can recommend anything, I've already gone on website. They do have samples. For these two fragrances alone, I could be here for like 25-30 minutes just telling you about, you know, the fragrance and all the different facets of it. It's truly a complex fragrance, but I will be back and give you more details in a run it back video. But Mentor by Mind Games, right now I'm like, oh yeah, okay, I see the hype. I move on. This one is my favorite color, and this one is called Prodigy. This one is after my own heart. Oh my God, I should have just gave these fragrances their own video. Again, I believe it's retailing at $4.75. You do get the two raw materials inside. I believe the two you're gonna get in here is patchouli, and you're going to get rose absolute. Let's see. I'm putting this one on. I'm wearing this today. I'm going out and I'm wearing this today. Pick somebody else, and I am about to spray it. Oh my God, guys. Okay, so you guys, when I first initially, hold on a second, because I'm about to sneeze. Okay, I'm back. When I first sprayed Prodigy, same thing as I talk, we'll look at the bottle. You can pick it up by the cap. It's heavily weighted. It's absolutely gorgeous. The bottle in itself is so super pretty. If you know anything about me, I love like a gold and white or a white cream moment. My lights are so bright, you can't even see it. This right here is just screaming Cheraye in a bottle. It's my vibe. You guys, I sprayed this and I took a moment because like I said, this fragrance, both of them, are very, very complex. And I just wanted to see where it was going. This one was another one that took you on a kind of a roller coaster ride. Now, I will say I came to know this one and to, you know, compartmentalize this one faster than I was able to compartmentalize Mentor. I was able to compartmentalize Prodigy faster. The reason why is because something about it smelled very familiar to me. Something about it smelled very cozy, comforting, warm, some place that I visit often and I love. And I was like, I don't know. So I started reading the notes. It's Rose Absolute. I love rose. It's cardamom, bergamot, patchouli. Here's where it got interesting. Creamy cafe latte, langoza flower, which I have no idea, dry sandalwood, vanilla, and blonde woods. Now it is kind of woody, but those are the notes that I get inside of my coffee. A lot of times when I go and I have a coffee, I'm a coffee girl, you guys. I love coffee. And something about this gave me rich, milky, creamy, decadent, gourmand-ish kind of coffee vibes. And it doesn't smell like coffee. Please don't misinterpret what I'm saying. It just has that cafe latte, creamy, foamy, something aroma to it. Follow me, you guys. And when I sprayed it and I had it on my body, you're talking about longevity? Beast mode, it was on me for like 8 hours plus. Mind you, I just sprayed it on this wrist. I just sprayed it on. I kind of like spray like about 3, you know, sprays. And all night I kept doing this and I was like, I am loving this. And it changed. In the beginning, it was kind of like fresh or maybe rosy, and then it kind of got like milky and creamy, and it kind of like stayed there for a minute, and then it got kind of rich and decadent and gourmand-ish, like the foamy milky part on a cafe latte. And then I just lost it. I was like, that's it, sold. This is my favorite one. This is the one I can't wait to share with the besties and tell them about. You guys, if you like that kind of a note, and this is very hard for me to explain because I can't explain it. It's like Kurt Franklin said, I can't explain it. I don't, it's just so good. So I would encourage you, again, Prodigy is my favorite out of the two. I'm sure you could tell. Get your nose on it. They are worth a whiff. They are complex, they are unique, they are luxurious, I don't even know what to say. I have no words. I have no words. They're both good. If I had to choose one, I'm choosing this one. I would encourage you to order a sample. If you've tried these, I would say please leave me your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. I believe you can get a whiff of these at Neiman Marcus. I will put it in the description box for accuracy. Like I said, I could stay here and be here all day. This is just a first impression, but I am shooketh, okay? I am shooketh. I move on. That's gonna be my sin of the day. I can tell you that right now. That is gonna be my sin of the day. I'm getting ready to go out to a Laker game, so when you see me there posting, just know I was smelling real good. I'm about to overspray it. Not that you need to, but I want them to smell me before I arrive. You know what I mean? As I'm walking in and checking out, like, oh my gosh, it's me. Hello, dwellings, it's me. Okay, anyways, New Notes came out with another new fragrance, you guys, and it's straight to Parfum. Here's the one that came out by New Notes. It's spicy, it's woody. It was really good too. I mean, the fragrances have not been disappointing. Okay, let's see, I was supposed to be in that. This is kind of fruity and spicy is what I get in the beginning. Fruity, oh girl, don't put it up your nose. Oh, this is good. Fruity and spicy, so mandarin, passion fruit, raspberry, apple, freesia, jasmine, ambery notes. It's really good too. I haven't played with it. I don't know a whole lot. I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell different on skin. Oh, but it's good. New Notes has not disappointed me with any of the fragrances that I've smelled from them that they've come out with. I will link it in the description box below. I do have a 10% off discount code. If you wait to the 30% off weekend, you can get 30% off this fragrance, but it is really good. Like I said, this is a first impression. I will need a little time to play with it, but off initial spray, initial first impression, it's good. You definitely get the fruitier notes in the beginning. Yeah, it's definitely given fruity and spicy. Think of did it say it had peach in it? Mandarin, okay, mandarin, raspberry. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Think of like a juicy, ripe peach, apple, mandarin, like a fruit bowl of some sort, but some citrus, some freshness in the beginning. I would think that that will be coming from the mandarin, but it seems like it's not just the juiciness from the actual mandarin orange itself, but actually from the peel and the green peel as well. If you can go there with me, follow. If you can, it's okay. That's what I'm getting from it. And then you get a little bit of a spicy notes and then a little bit of woodiness. This is another one that I think would be amazing to wear around the holiday. I definitely will be back to put it in a run it back, but first impression off initial impression, it's pretty good. I move on. This fragrance is not new. It came out in 2022, but it's new to my collection. And shout out to the team over at YouTube for gifting us this. This here I received when I went to the YouTube event and I was a guest on the panel. This is Coach, and this is Coach Wild Rose. So let's get into this one and see what it's giving. I sprayed it once and I wasn't crazy about it. I'm gonna need to spray it on something else. Hold on. Yeah, it's okay. I would need to play with this. It's fruity, it's red currant, it's rose, jasmine, tonka bean. It's a good girl's date night fragrance. A good girl's night out, a date night fragrance. It's kind of warm, it's cozy. It's something that can be even an easy reach, especially if you like rose. It's not rose dominant, but you can definitely get a whiff of the rose. Some have compared it to, I do not get this, I'm just spilling the tea. Some have compared it to Black Opium, I don't get it. Flower Bomb, I don't get it. Baccarat Rouge 540, I don't get it. And then Burberry, maybe Burberry Her, maybe a little bit, but not really. I really feel that you have to spray this on skin. So let me just, but it is nice. It is nice, okay. See, it's so much better, you guys. Always try your fragrances on your skin because that blotter card did not give this fragrance anything. But on skin, okay, wait a minute. I do get a little bit of, what did I say? Burberry Her, Flower Bomb? No, so somewhere somewhere in that family of a fragrance. It's nice. You get a big, huge bottle. I don't know the price. This is what the bottle looks like. You know, Coach has made a comeback. So if you're a Coach guy, Coach girl, and you love this type of a fragrance, I would say try it out. I mean, for me, it would be an easy reach. Something that I can sit in the house and be cozy with. Something if I was gonna go run errands. It is cute for a cute date night, you know, and this is definitely something I would reach for. It is really good. Give me a chance to play with it. If you have it, if you love it, if you have an opinion on it, leave it in the comment section below. Your opinions are welcome. I move on. Another one that was gifted to me by YouTube. This bottle is super cute. It's perfect for the holidays. I sprayed this one, you guys. I sprayed this and it just gave me like fur, like pine cones and woods and everything like that. And then I went and looked at the notes and I was like, okay, it's a unisex fragrance. It's woody, it's musky, it's oak moss, it's leather. You've got some patchouli down in the base. It's very unique. It's very, very unique. And it's very green. Oh my gosh, don't spray your face, girl. And it's very green. In the beginning, it kind of gave me what in the world kind of vibes, but then it's good. It smells, okay. Oh my God, it just came to me. You know how you put up your Christmas tree or what have you? Back in the day, my mom and dad used to get a real Christmas tree, and then I don't know what happened. I think the house almost caught on fire or something, like those lights got stuck and something, I don't know what happened, to be honest. I could be making that up, but I think something almost caught on fire, so we never got a real Christmas tree again. Now we have fake ones. So anyhow, it smells like when you used to bring the Christmas tree in and then somebody would bring in the garland, the one that you put on the fireplace or over the wreath on the door, and you have that green pine cone garland, and it smelled very festive and it smelled like outdoorsy, woody, very Christmassy, like firm pine cones. Am I losing you? But that's what it smells like, you guys. It smells like outside, but it smells really, really good. At first, I was like, what in the world? And then I sprayed it on and I was like, okay, I get it now. It is a really nice fragrance. It's not gonna be for everybody. Nothing is, you guys. That's why they make so many fragrances, because everything is not for everybody. You have to choose what works best for you. So I would say this is, in my opinion, worth a whiff. It is really nice. I mean, it kind of gives nostalgic moments too, because that's where I got that story from. Like when I sprayed this, I was like, I've been here before. It smelled like my house during Christmas when I lived at home with my mom and dad. It smelled like, you know, when I was a little kid and they would bring in the tree, which I don't know why. We were having girl, please don't tell us about that story again. But anyways, I don't know why, but that's what it kind of gives me. And then that garland being on the fireplace and then the wreath on the door, like real ones, not the plastic ones that I use today. Cause you know, we're not bringing nothing real in the house. I don't have a green thumb. Everything dies. Look at those flowers back there, dead. I even have, oh God, I haven't even had them a week. Do you, wait, hold up, let me see. Do you guys see that? Do you see, they're dead. I'm not getting rid of them yet though, because the baby brides or whatever they're called, the babies, whatever, those white flowers, the little tiny ones, they're still alive. So we holding on to them until the whole arrangement dies. Anyways, yeah, back to this fragrance. I highly recommend getting a whiff of it. I move on. Okay, you guys, I'm stopping here. That's it. Because you know I don't like long videos. I'll be back. I'll be back for a part 2. I can be editing videos all day. I don't have the patience for it, nor the time. This is it. Definitely get your nose. All of these are worth a whiff. I kid you not. But, Mentor and Prodigy, you need to get a whiff of these. I was shook. I spent like all Saturday trying to figure these fragrances out because I couldn't. All day, you guys, I was like, oh my God, it changed. It changed again. They're so good. They're so worth a whiff. All of the information of where you can find all the fragrances and if I have any discount codes will all be linked in the description box for you below. Yeah. I'm still a little shook right now. I love you like I love cooked food. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I truly appreciate you. If you have not hit the subscribe button, stop what you're doing. Stop everything you're doing. Just hit all the buttons down there. It doesn't even matter anymore. Just smash the button. Until next time, besties, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.